Hello students, today we'll do environmental issue video 2. This is the second video of environmental issue for class 12 and the topic covered in this video are catalytic converter, noise pollution and its control and a case study of Delhi. So let's begin. Now let us look at the definition of catalytic converter. In the definition, you should know two things. Number one, catalytic converter, they are fitted in the automobile engines. Where they are fitted? In the engines of the automobiles like car and buses. And second, what you should know, they convert more toxic gases into less toxic gases. So let us look at the definition. They are the devices that convert toxic gases and pollutant from combustion engine of vehicle to less toxic products. So they are fitted in the automobiles like car and buses in the combustion engine of automobiles, and they convert more toxic gases into less toxic products. Now let us look at the mode of action of catalytic converter. The catalytic converter, they have expensive metals like platinum, palladium and rhodium as catalyst. So catalytic converter, they have expensive metals like platinum, palladium and rhodium as catalyst. And what they do, they convert as the exhaust pass through the catalytic converter. Exhaust means polluted gases pass through the catalytic converter. The unburnt hydrocarbon is converted into carbon dioxide, means more toxic products are converted into less toxic products. Similarly, carbon monoxide is converted to carbon dioxide. Again, more carbon monoxide is converted to less toxic carbon dioxide. Similarly, nitric oxide is converted into nitrogen. Again, more toxic nitric oxide is converted into less toxic nitrogen. So as exhaust pass through catalytic converter, unburnt hydrocarbon are converted to carbon dioxide. Unburnt hydrocarbon are converted to carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide and nitric oxide are converted into carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Carbon monoxide is converted to carbon dioxide and nitric oxide is converted into nitrogen. Means more toxic products are converted to less toxic products. So in catalytic converters, through 2 points are important. It is used in the combustion engine of automobiles like car and buses, and it converts more toxic gases into less toxic gases. And we should know these three processes. Now, what are the fuel which are used with catalytic converter? We should know that unleaded petrol is used with catalytic converter, because if we use petrol with lead, it will lead to inactivation of the catalyst. So we always use unleaded petrol with catalytic converter, because if we use lead, it will inactivate the catalytic converter. Noise pollution. First of all, we should know what is noise. Any undesirable high level of voice is called noise. So undesirable high level of voice is called noise. So what are the harmful effects of noise pollution? What are the harmful effects of noise pollution? Number one, sleeplessness. Number two, increased rate of heartbeat. Number three, altered breathing rate. Number four, stress. Number 5, damage to the eardrum and permanent loss of hearing. And number 6, chronic exposure, means long time exposure may lead to damage to hearing abilities. So these are the 6 points of harmful effects of noise pollution: sleeplessness, increased rate of heartbeat, altered breathing pattern, stress, damaged eardrums and permanent loss of hearing, and chronic exposure may cause damage to the hearing ability. So now let us look at how to control noise pollution. Number one, there should be horn-free zones around school and hospitals. So there should be horn-free zones around schools and hospitals. Number two, silencers must be fitted to automobile and industrial gadgets. We should fit silencers in automobiles and industrial gadgets. And number three, use of acoustic material in the wall of homes located in high sound zone. Acoustic material means sound absorbing material, the material which absorbs sound. So that acoustic material should be used in the walls of homes located in high sound zones. According to the text studied, the question asks are, how do automobiles fitted with catalytic converter reduce air pollution? Suggest the best possible fuel for such vehicle. So automobiles fitted with catalytic converter, they reduce air pollution by converting more toxic product into less toxic ones. As we have seen, they convert more toxic products into less toxic one, and suggest the best possible fuel for such devices. So unleaded petrol is the best possible fuel for such devices, because if we use lead, it will inactivate the catalyst. Second question is, name two metals used in catalytic converter. You know, catalytic converter is fitted with expensive metals like platinum and palladium. So we have learned here, catalytic converter have expensive metals like platinum and palladium. Third question is, what is noise? We know any undesirable high level of voice is called noise. Fourth question is, suggest any four control measure of noise pollution. So we have learned these these three control measures of noise pollution. Next question is, why is it desirable to use unleaded petrol in vehicles fitted with catalytic converter? We know, because if we use lead with petrol, it will inactivate the catalytic converter. So we have studied here, if we use lead with catalytic converter, it will inactivate the catalytic converter. So petrol should be lead free. It should be unleaded petrol. If you have learned something from this video, please subscribe now to my channel Ramji Chopra. Thank you.